before. Mm, well, eh, yeah, yeah, we're doing hard building in the fur right now. It's me, Cool Fireball, Beanie Pumpkin, Peppo, Captain, Melody. Weird names. Yeah, you know, stop it. Let's just keep it back. I just put my microphone back. And this is why I'm doing it in volume. Nobody cares. I want to make you sound like two seconds videos. Really, dude. I have to play first. I gotta show you guys. It's where my team cries, and he throws like a birthday cake. It's hilarious. I was, your team, like he does a long action. Here, let me show you guys. Okay, that's really funny. Bring up the speed check and get the action cry on it. I guess that's what I did. With double banana peel. Then it randomly comes around. Reward. Did you see it? Wasn't that funny? That's what happens when he gets next. Bacon? Oh, I didn't get to do the glitch. I usually do it. Oh, I got it. Yeah, this is our building video. I love this because it just captures whatever's on that screen. Big T. I'm out of sound service. I want the big cheese. Because oh, I'm gonna do my sign glitch. I love doing it. How do I do the sign for it? Alright. It's all about timing. Got it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Watch this, I'm gonna do it. Wait, you score and do it. I'm gonna do it by your post. There you go. Oh, it is. Probably. Ah, I guess it doesn't work for this one. It mostly works for Thrill. Yeah. I think he can do it to death if he doesn't die. You gotta cry. Yeah, it really isn't gonna work. Crying is the longest. And it's fast, it's long, so it works that timing. Bye.